Number 6. Up to 24. 24 to Tamayo. Number 4. So, Vicilia 3. Long 3. Wala.
Nasa labas na si Doming eh. Nasa labas na si Doming!
Simol.
4 minutes and 27 seconds.
91. Subula pa rin ng catering. Inbounding. Long pass number 8. Bison sa 3. Wala. Ito naman. Foul.
Double foul.
Foul. Committed by.
Oh, kami bola! White pa rin? Bakit kami bola?
Double foul.
Kanina pa sa kanila sa kanila.
Hindi umiinit yung araw nyo. Tama to, kanina doon. Nag-jumble kanina, bubulan ninyo.
Wala naman yung jumble kanina eh. Wala naman yung jumble. Kayo nag-start ng buwan. Kayo nag-start ng third. Oh, hindi pa. Nakakatatlong jumble lang, puro puti. Wala na yun.
Hindi, nag-jumble.
Automatic ang bola dito. Automatic ang bola dito. Kayo ang naging bound eh. So ngayon, sa inyo.
Ito ha, pula yun naman.
23. Third personal foul. Number 1. First personal foul.
4 minutes and 23 seconds.
Hotel, swimming po penalty.
Putang, nakalusot pa yun.
Number 10. 91. Second personal foul, 91.
4 minutes and 15 seconds. 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Both ends are on penalty situation.
Domeng, wag mo ibigay baseline!
Our score is 6-3-15. 23, rebounded. Abisilla. Sinalaksak. Wala. Double foul. Double foul.
Dapat na. Sige, focus tayo. Foul na na.
Contestation depensa. Ayan na, tatrating kayo.
4 minutes and 10 seconds. 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
91, fourth personal foul, 1 minute penalty. 91, third personal foul.
Okay, pre, masak ka ba? Hindi ko masagot na.
Nag-iinit na kanina.
Nice! Okay, dapat foul. Technical, out of the play court.
Yan.
23,
Plus full possession.
Yan. Kanina pa yan. May second motion pa. Ano ba yan? Ano na. Mariusip naman. Ano yan? Kahit dahil home court? Siguro. Hintay sa labas.
technical foul will be served to Big Star.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds for the final quarter.
Possession.
Good for one.
Ang liit na nag-i-inbound. Dapat si Doming na nag-i-inbound.
Okay, bounding. Ready to?
Hawak, hawak, hawak!
Set.
1-1 defense ng Catering.
Wag, wag!
91. 91. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound sa
Depensa.
3 minutes and 49 seconds.
Mayo.
May pick! Uy!
Traveling by Lincoln.
3 minutes and 40.
Lapit! Meg!
Magbulo kayo sa korte.
Will contest by Big Star. 1-1 defense ng Catering.
Wag mo nang gumalaw! Wala pa yung bola!
Wag muna kayo! Mag-iskiri lang kayo!
Wag mo nang gumalaw! Wala pa yung bola eh!
Yung pass to 22. Isabara.
Ubos!
Inalis yung bola. Jump shot.
Go! Ba yan?
Ibay talaga sa sequence to, ha.
Huwag magmadali, Jeff! Gamit oras, gamit oras!
24. Long pass to number 8. There's a foul. Committed by number 3. Third personal foul, number 3.
3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Penalty situation. Good for one, number 8.
Box, box!
Hindi pa naibigay yung bola, galaw kayo ng galaw.
Wala pa yung bola sa inyo, galaw na kayo ng galaw.
Time out completion. Catering, one time out left. Please stop, no more time out. Okay. Nagawa na mula.
Nice, come. Alam ko, may puti pala doon. Save!
21.
Nice, Jay!
Graduate.
Nice, Jay!
Balik, balik.
Nice, Jay!
3 minutes and 4 seconds remaining for the final quarter.
Oo, pakita kayo! Dikit kayo yung tatlo!
Paano ko number 22? Haras.
Naku, kitang-kita.
Hanggang still nun. Opposing shot by number 8. Nakabahay sila. A good steal by number 8.
Lapit, Liwe! Lapit!
Ganda nila, parang submission tayo. Ayaw na nila. He was fouled by number 8. Penalty. Situation na catering. Number 8, first personal foul.
2 minutes and 43 seconds.
Ngayon yung oras na dapat i-secure nyo yung bola. Secure! Pinapaagaw nyo.
Number 17 on the free throw line for the bonus shot. For
Nice. Sapa Jay!
Jumper!
Sapa!
Balik nyo yung depensa sa kanila. Kayo ngayon ang ano.
2 minutes and 43 seconds.
for his last shot. Wala. Nagkaroon ng rebound.
Baba na, Beng!
Pass number 8. Dixon, no pass. To number 13. No pass.
Naku,
You know? Assist by
patay tayo dyan.
13.
2 minutes and 28 seconds.
Hiwalay!
22. 1-1. Dixon. Ay, nakalusot si number 3.
Para!
2 minutes and 17 seconds.
Pagkagawa nun. Ito si Star Lalim. Long pass. To Tamayo. Ilalim. Jump shot.
Beng!
Makita. Number 91. Warning for disqualification. Fourth personal foul.
4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining for the final quarter.
President.
91! Ay, mamaya na.
Paglaban natin yun.
Para hindi tayo nadusundutan.
Last shot. Ay, Tamayo.
Wala na yung malaki kaya nyo.
2 minutes and 5 seconds.
There is a call. A foul. Committed by
Putang ina naman.
91.
Sus, Mariusip.
Number 91. Fouled out.
Si Dumwood.